Shift our focus to another big story of the day, and this is about what's happening in the opposition camp. A candid admission from senior Congress leader and former Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan has sparked a fresh political debate, with Chavan acknowledging shortcomings within the grand old party and admitting that the party was not able to effectively discharge its role as the opposition despite being a major national force. Reflecting on the party's challenges and commenting on political realignments, including the DMK separation, Chavan said there were weaknesses that needed to be addressed. Listen in.
और एक पार्टी विपक्ष का रोल अदा नहीं कर पा रही है, कांग्रेस पार्टी बड़ी पार्टी फिर भी नहीं कर पा रही है। अब इंडिया गठबंधन को संवारना चाहिए था, संभालना चाहिए था, लेकिन उसमें कहीं कमी रह गई और डीएमके टूट के अलग हो गया। उधर जो ऑपरेशन लोटस महाराष्ट्र में किया था 50 करोड़ देकर, वही ऑपरेशन कलकत्ता में हुआ है, 20 सांसदों को तोड़ दिया गया है। तो भाजपा की कोशिश है कि अगर हम चुनाव ऑनेस्टी से नहीं जीत सकते तो एसआर कराइए। किसी भी तरह से चुनाव जीतना ये मोदी जी की प्राथमिकता है और चुनाव जीतने के बाद सारी जनतंत्र की संस्थाएं हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशंस, डेमोक्रेसी, वो सारी काबिज कर ली है।
So you heard what Prithviraj Chavan had to say, and this has sparked a big political debate as well. The Bharatiya Janata Party netas are reacting. BJP is saying that the opposition alliance does not have any vision or any kind of an agenda for the country, and the criticism from within the alliance shows how this entire bloc, the INDI bloc, the opposition bloc, has become completely hollow. It is devoid of any kind of vision or any kind of agenda. According to the BJP, Congress party has been once again shown the mirror by their own netas. Opposition has no vision for India is the reaction that we've got from BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla. Listen in to what all he has said.
Yet another reality check for Congress party from its own senior leader, former Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan, who says that India Alliance was formed because Congress alone could not defeat the BJP and Prime Minister Modi, but Congress has not played the role of a big party in the India Alliance. It could not nurture and groom the alliance, keep everyone together. This is a direct statement on the incompetence of Congress, but particularly Rahul Gandhi. Ram Guha has rejected Rahul Gandhi. Janta has rejected Rahul Gandhi. Now Darwaris and party leaders are showing no confidence in Rahul. Allied partners have no confidence in Rahul. That's why DMK left, AAP left. Samajwadi Party criticized Rahul Gandhi. RJD did that too. Rahul Gandhi and Congress only use and throw the allied partners. This is what has been said, and even the Congress is admitting it. But will Rahul Gandhi wake up and smell the coffee? Perhaps not, and that's why they continue to live in denial and delusion. India Alliance, by the way, has no mission.
So you heard the reaction from Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP, a blistering attack there coming in on Congress party, specifically suggesting that Congress party only uses its allies and then throws them away. An example clearly is what happened with DMK. Remember, in Tamil Nadu, Congress party fought the election along with DMK, but after the results came out, Congress party dumped its old ally DMK and joined hands with Vijay's TVK to be in the government, to be part of the government. We have another reaction coming in of Giriraj Singh from BJP. Listen in.
ममता बनर्जी, सोनिया गांधी वो कहते हैं कि कांग्रेस जो है एक तरह से काबू नहीं कर पाई बीजेपी को अकेले, और ये जो अलायंस है वो एक साथ पहले से होना चाहिए था, अच्छे से होना चाहिए था। कांग्रेस के नेता ही सवाल उठा रहे हैं इंडी ब्लॉक पे।
देखिए, खुद इंडी गठबंधन में आपने देखा कि सीपीएम कांग्रेस पे सवाल उठा रही थी, ममता सवाल उठा रही थी, सब एक दूसरे से कंट्राडिक्टरी, नीतियों के आधार पे नहीं है, ये स्वार्थों के आधार पे। आज राहुल गांधी कल खुश नजर आ रहे थे, परसों इंडी गठबंधन के, वो हारने में भी खुशी मनाते हैं, और मोदी जी जीत करके भी देश की केवल सेवा करते रहते हैं, यही अंतर है।
Thank you for speaking to us. So that was Union Minister Giriraj Singh speaking to Times Now with video journalist Dilip Mohit Bhatt for Times Now in Delhi.
All right, so that was a reaction we got from Union Minister Giriraj Singh, also targeting the Congress party specifically. Now, it all, viewers, has come after a big statement was made by former Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan, who in fact questioned the unity of the INDIA bloc. He has also admitted shortcomings within the INDIA bloc. He has said that the Congress party alone could not really serve as the opposition, and the INDIA alliance should have been held together more effectively. Listen in to what exactly he said.
और एक पार्टी विपक्ष का रोल अदा नहीं कर पा रही है, कांग्रेस पार्टी बड़ी पार्टी फिर भी नहीं कर पा रही है। अब इंडिया गठबंधन को संवारना चाहिए था, संभालना चाहिए था, लेकिन उसमें कहीं कमी रह गई और डीएमके टूट के अलग हो गया। उधर जो ऑपरेशन लोटस महाराष्ट्र में किया था 50 करोड़ देकर, वही ऑपरेशन कलकत्ता में हुआ है, 20 सांसदों को तोड़ दिया गया है। तो भाजपा की कोशिश है कि अगर हम चुनाव ऑनेस्टी से नहीं जीत सकते तो एसआर कराइए, किसी भी तरह से चुनाव जीतना ये मोदी जी की प्राथमिकता है। और चुनाव जीतने के बाद सारी जनतंत्र की संस्थाएं हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशंस, डेमोक्रेसी, वो सारी काबिज कर ली है।
Let's go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Mohit, it's a rather, strong statement that has come from Prithviraj Chavan, who's a very, very senior leader, a seasoned politician as well. Have you got any kind of reaction from the Congress party? BJP clearly has got more ammunition to attack the Congress party specifically after this statement.
Well, in fact, it has given BJP a lot of ammunition, and we have seen Giriraj Singh, Shehzad Poonawalla and other leaders of the BJP attacking the Congress party and in larger aspect the India alliance, saying that they do not have any common ideology. They do not have any agenda or anything to take country forward. Their only agenda is to remove Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But in fact, they're fighting among themselves. Now, the BJP says that how exactly the CPM is fighting with the Congress party in Kerala. We have seen TMC fighting with Congress in the state of Tamil Nadu, in the state of, I beg your pardon, West Bengal. We have seen that how the Congress party dished DMK and formed the government with the TMK in the state of Tamil Nadu. So that is where the BJP says that the rift within the Indie bloc is coming out, and in fact the Congress insiders who are exposing the Congress party and Indie bloc now, given the fact that Prithviraj Chavan, as you rightly pointed out, is a seasoned politician. He has been the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He's a very senior leader of the Congress party. When he comes out and says that the Congress alone cannot play the role of the opposition parties, the alliance has to be strengthened, the alliance has to be something more against the BJP. They need to meet more. They need to have a proper agenda. This exposes that how Indie bloc does not have a proper ideology, and that has been said by the BJP on umpteen number of occasions, saying that the components of the Indie bloc are fighting among themselves. When the Lok Sabha elections come, they have a meeting, but when the state elections come, they fight among itself.
Right.
The Rahul Gandhi makes statements against the Congress, against the CPM leaders or the TMC leaders, and in fact, John Britas, MA Baby have openly come out and they have condemned Rahul Gandhi's statement in run-up to the Kerala elections,
right,
and saying that that would be also discussed in the meeting of India Alliance that was held. So Indie bloc is not together, and perhaps that is why the insiders from the Congress party are now exposing it, and now it has given ammunition to the BJP to attack the Indie bloc in the larger respect. Back to you.
Mohit, stay on with us. We have a reaction now coming in from the Congress party as well. Congress party's Imran Masood has reacted on the comments made by Prithviraj Chavan. Listen in to what he said after Chavan's candid admission.
उनका बयान आया है, वो कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस इंडिया ब्लॉक के मेंबर है, सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है, लेकिन ऑपोजिशन का जो धर्म है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है, वो निभाने में असक्षम है। इस पर
कौन?
पृथ्वीराज चौहान।
अरे कहने दो भाई, अब ऐसे लोगों को मैं क्या जवाब दूं ऐसी बात का? क्या जवाब दूं ऐसी बात का? बहादुर लोग लड़ते हैं और कमजोर लोग भागते हैं, बस इतना सा जवाब दूंगा मैं एक बात का। मुझे नहीं पता किस परिप्रेक्ष्य में उन्होंने बात कही, सीनियर नेता हैं कैसे, लेकिन हम तो लड़ते हुए मरना पसंद करेंगे, लेकिन झुकना नहीं पसंद करेंगे।
एक आखिरी सवाल सर, मैं टीएमसी से जुड़ा पूछना चाहूंगी। जो लोकसभा के स्पीकर उन्होंने ये कंफर्म किया है कि उनके पास में अभी तक कोई भी चिट्ठी नहीं आई है। जिस तरीके से क्लेम किया जा रहा था कि 20 सांसद जो है वो अलग फैक्शन बनाने की पूरी तैयारी में है, वो कहीं ना कहीं होता हुआ अब नजर नहीं आ रहा है। लेकिन इसी बीच में टीएमसी और कांग्रेस के मर्जर की कुछ खबरें जो है वो सामने आ रही है। क्या आपको लगता है कि आज के समय में ये जरूरी है कि टीएमसी और कांग्रेस पार्टी का मर्जर हो जाए?
देखिए, तुरंत करना चाहिए, मेरी अगर आप व्यक्तिगत माने तो तुरंत करना चाहिए। रास्ते तो ब्लॉक होंगे। जो लोग जीतकर कहीं से किस विचारधारा पर आते हैं।
So, two important points there Imran Masood raised. One, of course, when he was asked specifically about Prithviraj Chavan, he said, just let him say. And then Niyamika, my colleague, asked him about a specific question because there are now speculations if, TMC and Congress would like to, merge, be one.